Welcome. My name is Ms. Susan Vaz. I am from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. I'm a professor there. Today's class or video is about the introduction to the housekeeping department. The housekeeping department is basically the first question is what is housekeeping? Housekeeping in simple words means maintaining a house on a daily or long-term basis or looking after its cleanliness, tidiness and upkeep. When you also keep your house clean and well maintained, you would also like to make it as beautiful as possible. None of the objects are broken or clipped, or fabrics are not torn, basically having all furnishings in good condition. This is what is called as good housekeeping. In simple words, housekeeping is the process of keeping a place clean, beautiful, and well maintained so that it looks and feels pleasant and inviting to all. The importance of housekeeping. The housekeeping department of the hotel industry stands for one motto: creating a home away from home. The housekeeping department takes immense pride in maintaining the utmost standards of cleanliness and quality. Housekeeping is an ancillary department that is committed to developing its services in a huge way towards overall reputation and success of the hotel industry. It is responsible for the aesthetic upkeep of rooms, maintenance, public areas, and surrounding areas. The housekeeping department isn't solely based on cleanliness. It also entails interior designing, horticulture, and flower arrangements. Keeping this in mind, I would like to go forward and explain the various areas under the housekeeping department. Guest rooms. Guest rooms, a hotel room means comfort, privacy, security, and convenience to its occupants. Hotels offer different types of rooms that range in size, luxury, and amenities. The look of the room is affected by the location, by the hotel itself, its target market, and its level of service provided. Public areas. The section of the housekeeping maintains clean public areas, lobbies, restaurants, swimming pools, etc. As we all know, the first impression is the last impression. Hence, the first impression should always be the best. This section ensures and makes it that possible. It also makes sure all restaurants and food and beverage outlets are hygienically maintained, which is of utmost importance keeping in mind the current situation of COVID-19. During this pandemic, the housekeeping is surely the most important department and plays a vital role in the functioning of its establishment. The next department is the linen and laundry department. Hotel linen in the housekeeping department is the second largest expense to the hotel. The laundry ensures that staff as well as guests' clothes or laundry is washed and returned as and when required. Horticulture and flower arrangements. This section takes care of landscaping, indoor plants, and flower arrangements. It ensures a daily supply of fresh cut plants and flowers that give an eco-friendly environment. As we all know, flower arrangements add beauty and are a symbol of welcome. Guests tend to come frequently to hotels which follow eco-friendly practices. That is all for today. I would like to conclude what we learned today. Basically, we learned about what is housekeeping. Housekeeping is the process of keeping a place clean, beautiful, and well maintained so that it looks and feels pleasant and inviting to all. The motto that the housekeeping department functions on is creating a home away from home. That experience is what is mainly important for us as in the hotel industry. It is responsible for the aesthetic upkeep of rooms, maintenance, public areas, and surrounding areas. Rooms. A hotel room means comfort, privacy, security, convenience to its occupants. And that's all we want you to feel. We want you to feel welcome and at home. Public areas is a section of the housekeeping that maintains clean public areas, lobbies, restaurants, swimming pools, etc. As we all know, it is the first impression that matters the most. Lastly, flower arrangements. In this section, we take care of landscaping, indoor plants, and various other flower arrangements that are put in the lobby, at the entrance, outside. All of these are handled by the housekeeping department. I hope you learned something valuable today. Thank you.